Feeling under the weather, stressed, or dealing with a stubborn stomach? Before you reach for pills, let's explore nature's pharmacy, right in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you 3 simple herbal teas to help with colds, anxiety, and bloating, all using easy-to-find ingredients. And I'm passionate about natural living and remedies that work. These blends aren't just tasty. They're powerful, time-tested solutions for everyday health issues. We'll cover what to use, why it works, and exactly how to make each tea. Grab your mug, let's get brewing. As the seasons change, so does our susceptibility to colds and sniffles. But fear not, let's proactively fight that cold with a powerful immune-boosting tea, a comforting elixir that's both delicious and beneficial. This isn't just any tea, it's a carefully crafted blend designed to support your body's natural defenses. To create this potent brew, you'll need 1 TBSP dried elderberries. These little berries pack a serious punch when it comes to immune support. Next, 1 TSP fresh grated ginger. Freshly grated is key here, as it releases the most potent compounds, and 1 cinnamon stick. The warm, comforting aroma of cinnamon is just a bonus to its many health benefits. Don't forget the juice of half a lemon. This adds a zesty brightness and a vital dose of vitamin C. And finally, a teaspoon of raw honey, optional, plus 2 cups of water. The raw honey not only sweetens the tea but also provides additional antibacterial properties. Elderberries are loaded with antioxidants that support your immune system, helping your body fight off those pesky viruses. They've been used for centuries as a natural remedy for colds and flu. Ginger brings anti-inflammatory and antiviral power, soothing sore throats and helping to clear congestion. It's a natural powerhouse that can really kickstart your recovery. While cinnamon adds antimicrobial benefits and warmth, creating a comforting and healing experience. It also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial when you're feeling under the weather. Lemon juice delivers a hit of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune function, and raw honey soothes your throat and adds natural sweetness, making the tea even more enjoyable. To make it, boil 2 cups of water, bringing it to a rolling boil to properly extract the flavors and benefits from the ingredients. Add elderberries, ginger, and cinnamon. Let these ingredients mingle and infuse the water with their healing properties. Simmer for 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully develop and the beneficial compounds to be released into the water. Strain into a mug, removing the solids and leaving you with a clear, flavorful tea. Add lemon juice for that extra boost of vitamin C and stir in honey if you like, adjusting the sweetness to your preference. Sip warm 2 to 3 times a day at the first sign of a cold. The warmth will soothe your throat and the ingredients will work together to support your immune system. This tea isn't just about symptom relief. It helps your body recover naturally by providing the nutrients and support it needs to fight off infection. Pro tip: make a larger batch of the elderberry, ginger, and cinnamon base so you always have it on hand when you need it. Store in the fridge and add lemon and honey when ready to drink for a quick and easy immune boost. Simple, natural, and effective. No pharmacy degree required. Just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time can make a big difference in how you feel. Each sip delivers antioxidants, vitamins, and comfort, wrapping you in a warm embrace of wellness. It's a ritual of self-care that tastes as good as it feels, a moment of peace and tranquility in the midst of a busy day. Let nature help you heal, 1 cup at a time. Embrace the power of natural remedies and take control of your health. Next, let's brew a calming tea, a fragrant elixir designed to gently ease stress and anxiety. This isn't just about drinking something warm. It's about creating a moment of peace in your day, a small ritual to signal to your body and mind that it's time to unwind. We'll be using a blend of herbs known for their soothing properties, creating a synergistic effect that promotes relaxation and well-being. To begin, you'll need 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers. Chamomile is renowned for its calming effects, helping to reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep. When selecting your chamomile, look for flowers that are vibrant and fragrant, ensuring you're getting the most potent and beneficial compounds. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm. Lemon balm is a gentle, uplifting herb that can help to improve your mood and reduce feelings of stress. It has a light citrusy aroma that complements the chamomile beautifully. Ensure your lemon balm is fresh and fragrant for the best results. Then incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of lavender buds. Lavender is well known for its soothing properties, helping to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. The delicate floral aroma of lavender adds a layer of tranquility to the tea. Use culinary-grade lavender for the best flavor and safety. To brighten the blend and aid digestion, include a few slices of fresh orange peel. The citrusy notes of orange peel not only enhance the flavor but also provide a gentle digestive support, making this tea perfect for after meals or before bedtime. Finally, you'll need 1.5 cups of hot water. The water temperature is crucial for extracting the beneficial compounds from the herbs without scalding them, so aim for the temperature we'll mention shortly. Chamomile gently relaxes, easing tension and preparing you for a restful state. It's a time-honored remedy for insomnia and anxiety. Lemon balm uplifts your mood, helping to dispel feelings of sadness or overwhelm. Its gentle citrus notes add a refreshing touch to the blend, and lavender soothes the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm and well-being. It's like a gentle hug for your mind. Orange peel adds a bright note and supports digestion, preventing any discomfort that might disrupt your relaxation. It's a subtle but important addition. Combine the chamomile flowers, lemon balm, lavender buds, and orange peel in a teapot or infuser. This allows the herbs to mingle and release their beneficial properties. Pour hot but not boiling water over the herbal blend. Boiling water can damage the delicate herbs and affect the flavor. Aim for a water temperature of about 175–185 degrees Fahrenheit, 80–85 degrees Celsius. This ensures optimal extraction of the herb's beneficial compounds. Steep the tea for 7–10 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop and the herbs to release their therapeutic properties. Once steeped, strain the tea into your favorite mug, leaving behind the spent herbs. Before taking a sip, inhale the aroma deeply, allowing the fragrant steam to soothe your senses and calm your mind. Sip slowly, savoring each moment, and let the warmth gently calm your mind and body. Feel the tension melt away with each sip. If you like, add a touch of honey for sweetness, or a drop of vanilla extract for added warmth and flavor. However, the tea is also delicious as is, with its natural blend of floral and citrus notes. Make this calming tea part of your nightly wind-down routine, creating a consistent signal for relaxation. Dim the lights to create a soothing ambiance and put away your phone to minimize distractions. Let the ritual of preparing and drinking this tea signal your body that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. Sometimes the simplest blends made with intention and care offer the deepest sense of calm and well-being. Let this tea be your gentle cue to slow down, recharge, and embrace a moment of peace in your busy day. Finally, let's tackle that uncomfortable bloating with a soothing digestive tea. It's a simple, natural remedy that can make a world of difference when your stomach feels unsettled. We're going to create a gentle blend that will help ease gas, relax your digestive muscles, and reduce inflammation. You'll need 1 TSP fennel seeds. These little seeds are packed with goodness. 1 teaspoon dried peppermint leaves for a refreshing and calming effect. 1/2 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, freshly grated, is best for maximum flavor and benefits. And 1.5 cups water. Filtered water is always a good choice for the purest taste. Fennel eases gas, helping to relieve that bloated feeling. It's been used for centuries to aid digestion. Peppermint relaxes digestive muscles, soothing any spasms and promoting smoother digestion, and ginger reduces inflammation and boosts digestion. It's a powerful ingredient for overall gut health. Boil water in a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Add fennel and ginger and simmer gently for 5 minutes. This allows the flavors and beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Remove from heat, add peppermint, cover, trapping all those wonderful essential oils, and steep for another 5 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for extracting the full benefits of the herbs. Strain into a mug using a fine mesh strainer to remove the herbs, and sip slowly, especially after meals. Allow the warm tea to gently coat your digestive system. This blend is gentle, natural, and effective, a comforting way to support your body's natural processes. For post-meal discomfort, it's a simple ritual that can bring significant relief. Drink 20–30 minutes after eating to give your body a little head start on digestion. To help your stomach settle, it's a gentle nudge in the right direction. Fennel, peppermint, and ginger work together in perfect harmony to ease your digestive woes, to soothe and support your digestive system. It's a holistic approach to feeling your best. Making and sipping this tea is a mindful way to care for your body. Taking a moment for yourself can enhance the tea's benefits. Keep this recipe handy for those days when your stomach needs a little extra love. It's a simple act of self-care that can make a big difference in your overall well-being. There you have it. 3 herbal teas for immunity, calm, and digestion, all easy to make at home. These aren't just remedies, they're rituals that help you slow down and care for yourself naturally. Which tea are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite herbal blend? Share in the comments, like, subscribe, and check the description for a free printable PDF of these recipes. Thanks for watching. Stay grounded, stay well, and keep sipping.